Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals1 Mat2 Answer6. Okay, so the first question is, can two game objects each with only a sphere collider both set as triggers raise on trigger event? Explain your answer. Okay, so like the answer would be no. The both two sphere colliders with triggers on them, like as a trigger, cannot raise an on trigger event because they don't have a rigid body, so the collision will not be detected at all. So it doesn't matter they have collider or not, they have like they are set as a trigger or not, the collision is not detected. That is why on trigger event will not be executed. If I want to trigger an on trigger like if I want to trigger an on trigger event, then I need rigid body on at least one of those two objects. Okay, then the second question is, explain what is serialized field and what its use case. So the serialized field is an attribute provided by an Unity that allows me to make my private variables visible inside an inspector. So let's say there is an player that can move around in a scene, but I am not sure about how much speed it should move, or it should move with. So like I don't want my that speed variable to be public, because then it can be accessible and edited by any other script. So I don't want to do that. So I will declare it as a serialized field, so it will be visible inside an inspector, and I can change its value from the inspector as I need. It may be like I can make it 5, then I can make it 10 on to check if the speed is like correct or not. But the basic point is, I can make my private variables visible inside an inspector, and I can change their values from the inspector like while in editor. So those values will be like stored and that is it. Thank you.